Hey everyone, Leo Bond here. I'm back again today for the Best Buy Canada blog, and this time I'm taking a look at the Igloohome Smart Padlock, which is a very tough, very durable, heavy-duty lock that I've been testing here for the last few days. Their slogan is something along the lines of that it's made for security and convenience, and it definitely is all of that. It's made using hardened stainless steel, in particular the shackle part up at the top, which is also convertible, so you can switch it out to a bigger one of a slightly different shape or whatever, so that the lock can be used for a variety of different things, including like a backyard shed or lock up your bicycle with a bigger shackle, different stuff. Pretty much anything that you want to lock up, this lock is going to help you. Now, the way that it works, it's actually got a pin pad here on the front, and so you can get into it with combinations, but you can create custom pin combinations to give out to different people that you might want to give access to a shed or something or a piece of property. So you can have a temporary pin code. You can have pin codes that are duration specific. You can have pin codes that are one-time use only, and then you can have permanent use pin codes. But you can also use this thing through the Igloohome app, and if you want to use the app, that really simplifies things a lot because it connects via Bluetooth, and basically you just press the icon and the lock opens. So what all comes with this is the lock itself, and there's an Allen wrench to take the backing off, and then there's a battery included. It's a CR2 lithium battery, and so you take the back off with the Allen key, you put the battery in, and then you secure the backing on again. And what's also interesting about this is that if your battery should ever happen to die, there's a little flap on the bottom that opens and allows you to touch a 9-volt battery onto the bottom just to get temporary power, so you can get into it again, whether you're using the pin pad or your smartphone or whatever. Now, the app, of course, is compatible with both Android and iOS based smartphones, and I really have to say that this is one heavy lock. I don't know the exact weight on this thing, but it is solid. If you're in the market for a lock, you probably can't do too much better than this one, and it really is every bit as convenient as they advertise it to be. Now, if you'd like to know more information on this lock, you can read my complete written review over at the Best Buy Canada blog. That's all I've got to say here in the video, but I do want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have an excellent day.